At resumed hearing on Wednesday, the Apex Court granted motion on joinder by additional states wanting to join as plaintiffs, bringing the total number to 16. Counsels to both parties make oral arguments for and against their positions before the court, with the plaintiff counsel alleging constitutional breach and unilateral decision by the president and asking the court to set aside his recent directive on the policy.
It is mandatory on the president to sit with the National Federal Executive Council for them to discuss the issue and agree on it. It is mandatory on the president, since this is an economic issue, to seek the approval of National Economic Council, which the governor of Kano State is a member of. And the governor of Kano State said that that issue was never tabled before the National Economic Council.
The president has powers, but that power must be exercised judicially and judiciously. Judicially, the president has exercised that power because he has given the directive to the civil governor. But judiciously, has the time frame been reasonable in the context of the provision of 23? It is the contention of the plaintiffs that the time frame given is not reasonable enough. And to that extent, that policy is working hardship on the plaintiffs.
The important thing is that pending the third when it will deliver its judgment, the interim order of the Supreme Court is still in place. And that is that the old 500 Naira, 200 Naira, and 1,000 Naira notes are still legal tender. That is the order of the Supreme Court.
Responding to the plaintiff's argument on points of law, lead defense counsel Kanu Agabi SAN raised question of jurisdiction and overriding national interest for the implementation of the currency swap policy, pointing that the presidential directive on the matter is consistent with the earlier Supreme Court order.
The president will do nothing to undermine the powers and jurisdiction of this court. We are all working at trying to salvage a difficult situation. That's where we are. The Supreme Court is trying to do that. The president is trying to do that. It's one nation, one people. We are looking for solutions. Please, those who have this Naira in their hands should submit them to the CBN or any banks designated for that purpose. Nobody will lose his money if you try to comply.
The Supreme Court, which rose twice to allow parties harmonize their process, fixed 3rd of March 2023 for judgment. Shafiu Suleiman, Trust TV News, Abuja.